Hi guys, this is Shirley from Eyson. Today I want to introduce our hot-selling inflatable life jacket CCS 639 for you. This model is a manual inflatable life jacket. The buoyancy is 150 Newton. The product standard is BSN ISO 12402-3. This model has obtained both CCS and CE certificates. Equipped with inflation device developed by Eyson. Made of 420D ox-free fabric, it is ultra-lightweight and low-profile, easy to carry, fold and wash. The life jacket is easy to put on, even you are the first time to wear it. With simple design, you can do any water sports with the life jacket all day long. Compared to the large volume of foam life jackets, it does not affect your work or any water sports at all. Safe and reliable. The inflation time is 3 seconds to 5 seconds. The sound of whistle is up to 90 decibels. Equipped with oral tube, you can add buoyancy freely. Now, I want to show you how to replace the CO2 cylinder. First, replace the gas cylinder. Second, cover silicone cap. Third, install the green clip. Fourth, cover the cylinder. Now, I want to show you how to fold the life jacket. Insert the cap upside down the oral tube. Remove the gas from air bag. Close the cap of oral tube. Fold the left side of jacket and cover the Velcro. Fold the right side of jacket and cover the Velcro. Fold the top side of jacket and cover the Velcro. Fasten the buckle.